Well, hello, and a very special hello to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. It is your friendly neighborhood teacher, once again, Mr. Wu, here to provide you with some extra homework support. If you are not understanding how to do your homework, or if you're unclear on how I would like your homework done, this is the purpose of this video, to show you how to do it and what I am looking for when I grade your homework tomorrow night. Alright, as you can see right here, I have lesson 4.4 in front of me. It says your homework. This is the homework that I passed out today. It should be the homework that you're working on in class. If you're not working on 4.4, then you did not take home the right homework, and you did not follow my instructions. I don't know what to say if you do not have 4.4, so I really do hope that you have 4.4 in front of you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Instructions say estimate. What is the key word here? The key word is estimate. Then use the break apart strategy to find a sum. So really there's two parts to this. First thing you're going to have to do is estimate, and then you have to use the break apart strategy. Now, I went over question 1 in class. I'm not going to go over it again. Right now I'm going to do an example of question 2. So I'm looking at question 2. I see 214 plus 532. Now, I gave you a bunch of scratch paper, so I'm going to use my scratch paper. I'm going to rewrite the problem. 214 plus 532 plus 532. All right? So the first thing I need to do is I need to estimate. Now, I told you in class I want you to estimate or round to the nearest tens. Okay? So if I round this to the nearest tens, 214 becomes 210. 532 becomes 530. Now, did I round everything to the nearest tens? I did. Now I can add it together. Okay? Now, I want you to add this together using the break apart strategy. So I'm going to write 210, 210, 0. 530 is 530 and 0. I add it all together. 0, 40, 700. What's 700 plus 40? It's 740. So what is my estimate? My estimate is that 214 plus 532 is going to be 740. Let me repeat that. My estimate is 214 plus 532 is going to equal to 740. Okay? So 740. That's my estimate. Now, I need to solve the real answer. This is step 1, ladies and gentlemen. You are not done with question 2. This is only part 1. Because the instructions say estimate, then use the break apart strategy to find the sum. The sum is the answer to an addition equation. So now I'm going to do the real thing. I'm going to do 214 plus 532. I'm going to use the break apart strategy. 210, 4, 530, and 2. Add it all together. 6, 40, 700. Now, 40 plus 6 is 46. 46 plus 700 is 746. So look, my real answer is 746. My estimate is 740. Are they pretty close? Absolutely. Now remember, if your real answer and your estimate are not really close together, that means you did something wrong and you need to go back and check your work. So my real answer is 746. Okay, now notice, did I try to squeeze in all my work over here? I didn't. All I put was the answer 746, and here's my estimate 740. Look at my scratch paper. Where's all my work? All my work is over here. I don't want you guys to be trying to squeeze all your work in over here, because that's when you guys things get messy, things get confusing, and you guys start making simple mistakes. I don't want that to happen. That's why I stapled all the scratch paper to the back of your homework. I want you to be using the scratch paper. Do you understand that? Let me repeat myself. I want you to be using the scratch paper. Don't be squeezing in all your work over here and writing like little ants. Remember that I'm old. My eyes are not good. I cannot see that well. When you write like little ants, I can't read it. And if I can't read it, I'm going to have trouble checking your work. So I want you to do me a favor and do all your work over here on a scratch paper. All right? So this is the video today. I hope this provides some extra support for your homework. Notice that your homework is front and back. I know you're super excited about that. I could just hear you jumping out of your chair for excitement. Complete it tonight, turn it in. It is due tomorrow morning at 7:50. Hope you guys are having a wonderful afternoon, a wonderful night at home, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Goodbye and good luck.